Hello friends, today we are going to talk about how to install and configure PHP on Apache HTTP web server manually in Windows 10. Okay, so for this first we need to download the PHP source code. So we will go to the official website of PHP. See, this is the official website of PHP for Windows. We go to downloads. See, PHP 8.0 has been released. If you want to install PHP 8.0, you can also install it, but I will go with PHP 7.4. Okay, see, there are two versions for 64-bit and for 32-bit. I will download the 64-bit code. Okay, I have already downloaded this zip file. Now let's go into that zip file. See, this is the downloaded zip file. Okay, we need to extract this file in your C drive. I have already extracted the file in C drive's php7 directory. See, these are the files and folders extracted from that downloaded file. Okay, now we need to start configuring the PHP. So for PHP configuration, we need to create a php.ini file. Okay, see, this is the php ini development file. We need to edit this file, do some changes and rename it as php.ini. Okay, so before we configure this file, first I will tell you what is extension directory. See, this is the extension directory of PHP. The extension directory is the directory in which PHP's all loadable modules are present. See, these are the modules. Okay, so why this directory, extension directory, is so important? Because this is the directory which we need to define in our php.ini file. Okay, the location of this directory we need to give in the php.ini file. So now let's open our php.ini development file. See, here in this file you need to search for the line extension. Okay, so see, on Windows machine, directory in which the loadable extension resides. Okay, we need to define this directory for Windows. If you are running it on Linux machine, you need to define here. Okay, but you are if you want to install PHP on Windows, then you need to enable this line, remove the initial semicolon, remove this ext also. Now copy this. Computer is getting hang. See, copy this location. Okay, and paste it here. Next thing which we need to do is we need to enable some basic extension in order to run PHP on Apache server. So what are those extension, basic extension? See, these are the basic extension. You can enable any extension according to your need, but I will enable some basic extension like curl, okay, then GD2, MB string, MySQLi, PDO MySQL, and the last one is XMLR PC. So these are the things which we need to change. Now save this file as php.ini. Save as, type the file name php.ini. Click on all files. Now click save. Okay, so php.ini file configuration is complete. Now we need to do path setting. Okay, for path setting we go to advanced system settings. In advanced system settings, go to environment variables, path, add a line. Look, I have already done the path setting. Okay, you need to copy the c:/php where your php resides. See, this is the php directory. Okay, so you need to copy this location and paste here. Okay, after pasting, click on OK. So php configuration is complete. Path setting is also complete. Next we move on to Apache servers configuration file. Okay, so see, this is the Apache servers root folder. In the root folder we find a configuration directory. See, this is the Apache servers configuration file. We need to edit this file also. Okay, open this file and search for directory index. See, in this file you need to add this index.php. I have already added this index.php. By default you will find index.html, but if you want to run php file also on the server, you need to add this index.php in the directory index. Okay, so directory index is the file. What is directory index? Let me tell you. Directory index is the file which, when you type localhost on the browser, the file which you see is the directory index. Okay, when you will type localhost on the browser, this file you will see index.php. Okay, so next we go to end of the file. See, this line you need to add. Okay, I have already added this line and I have given these lines in my blog also. See, just copy this. Okay, copy this and paste here. But when you paste, keep one thing in mind, the location is right. See, this is the this is not the location where is my php. I have installed my php in c:/php7, and here also give php7. So in whatever folder you have installed php, do not forget to add that folder. Okay, sorry, do not forget to add that location. Okay, now save this file. Okay, now we need to create a index.php file. Okay, so that when you type localhost on the browser, it will show the index.php file. Okay, so we go to the Apache servers document root, and document root is our htdocs. This is our Apache servers document root. Here I have already created a index.php file. Let's open this file. Okay, see, echo php7 installation on Apache server successful, and php info, it will show some details of php. Okay, now close this file also. Now you have to run the Apache web server. For this, open command prompt and type httpd. So the server is started. Okay, now open any browser and go to localhost. See, the php7 installation on Apache server is successful. And this is the details of php info file. Okay, you can see these are the details, all details about php7. Okay, so this is all. Thank you.